In a peaceful savanna, many animals live together in a vibrant village. Each has a role, but lately, pride and disagreements have made the animals argue often. The wise elephant suggests a gathering to restore harmony. A colourful West African animal village with traditional mud huts surrounded by baobab trees. Various animals, elephant, leopard, monkey, antelope, tortoise, are seen in disagreement. Traditional African fabrics and pottery decorate the scene. Leopard stumbles upon a mystical talking drum hidden in the forest. The drum says it only plays when animals act with unity and respect. A proud leopard in a dense African forest, standing before a large carved drum with glowing cowrie shells. Sunlight filters through leaves. The drum looks ancient and magical, with tribal symbols etched on its surface. Leopard returns to the village, boasting about his drum. He refuses to let others use it, believing it makes him the leader. The village grows more divided. Leopard seated under a tree, playing the drum arrogantly, while other animals look frustrated or sad. The background shows tension, some animals turning away, others arguing. As arguments grow, the drum suddenly stops making any sound, no matter how hard Leopard hits it. Confused and angry, he blames others. Leopard slamming the drum in frustration. The drum appears lifeless. Other animals watch with curiosity or suspicion. The sky is cloudy, hinting at gloom. Tortoise suggests they try working together for once. Each animal brings something to repair the village and help one another. Slowly, the animals begin cooperating again. Tortoise speaking gently to a group of animals. The mood is calmer. Some animals are helping to build a hut, others are fetching water or food together. The drum sits silently in the background. As the animals work together and laugh, the drum suddenly starts to beat by itself. Everyone is amazed. The drum speaks. Unity is my rhythm. The drum glowing and beating magically while the animals dance and cheer in a circle. A joyful sunset lights up the sky. The leopard smiles humbly among the others. The village declares an annual day of the drum to remember the power of unity. Leopard, no longer proud, becomes a fair leader and shares the drum with everyone. A festive scene with animals in colourful traditional attire, dancing, drumming, and celebrating together. Banners read Day of the Drum. A wise elephant and happy leopard stand side by side. Moral lesson of this story: true strength and harmony come from unity, not pride or control. When individuals work together with respect and cooperation, they can achieve peace, joy, and progress, more than any one creature can accomplish alone. Leadership is about service, not domination. Leopard learns that being a leader means bringing others together, not elevating oneself. Selfishness breaks communities. Teamwork builds them. The drum's silence reflects how division weakens a society, while its music returns when harmony is restored. Wisdom often comes from the humble. Tortoise, the slow and quiet one, offers the solution no one else thought of, showing that every voice matters.